Right, now this is one that students often ask to how to do this because they want to make their games look and feel more dynamic. So what it looks like is we've got a moving background. Well, it looks like we've got so it gives you a feeling of movement and gives you an illusion that there are things might be going on off the screen. So let me show you how you achieve that. First of all, what you need to realise is that we haven't got this set up on the background, on the stage itself. The stage is completely blank, just as it is when you first open Scratch. What we have instead are two sprites, background 1 and background 2, and both of these are identical. So you've got two identical sprites. And then you need to get to this concept of X and Y fixed in your head. Because what happens is that as one slides across the screen, the other slides across behind it, filling what would be the white stage, and that continues. So background 1, it goes to X and Y, X0, Y0, which is bang in the centre. So it centres itself on the stage, shows itself. The hide and the show just stop it kind of jumping at that point, and then it glides, and you can change the glide speed by altering the how long it takes to glide to right the way across here, -480, so it'll come right off the screen. The Y stays at 0 because we don't want it jumping up and down, so it'll come right off the screen. So it would just leave, if background 2 wasn't following on behind it, it would just leave the white stage. Once it's done that, it then just goes back to X and Y again, to the centre, sorry, so 0 and 0. Okay. Background 2 then needs to be following on behind it. So when the green flag is clicked, this one goes right off the screen to the right hand side, okay? X480 would be right off the screen, you can't see it. And then that glides at the same speed to the central position. And when it reaches the central position, then the other one will have gone off the screen, and it resets itself at the same time as the other one resets itself, and then what you get is a feeling of smooth and continuous. Here's just one example for you of how horizontal scrolling background might be used within a game to give an appearance of a more dynamic appearance than it might be if it was just static. So give that a go.